The presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, has said that the Independent National Electoral Commission's assertion that he won in 21 states has not been debunked by the Commission or other parties before the Presidential Election Petition Court so far. Atiku stated this in his final written address before the court as he asked the Election Petition Court to uphold the declaration of INEC that he won the 21 states in the February 25 presidential election. The address was filed on July 20 in support of his joint petition with the PDP seeking the nullification of INEC's declaration of Bola Tinubu as winner of the poll. INEC had, in its response to Atiku's petition, asserted that the PDP's presidential candidate won 21 states of the federation in the last presidential poll. The states listed are Adamawa, Akwa Ibom, Bauchi, Bayelsa, Borno, Delta, Ekiti, Gombe, Jigawa, Kaduna, Katsina, Kebbi, Kogi, Kwara, Nasarawa, Niger, Osun, Sokoto, Taraba, Yobe, and Zamfara states. The former vice president said that since the Independent National Electoral Commission, which on its own averments claimed that he won states and did not reboot the assertion throughout the proceedings, the tribunal should proceed to uphold the declaration. Amongst others, the final written address read, "Very importantly, the first respondent, INEC, which conducted the elections, made an open admission in paragraph 18 of its reply to the petition, where it unequivocally stated, thus, the first respondent further avers that in compliance with the extant laws and regulation, it diligently discharged its duties when it collated the first petitioner's scores at the election, which aggregates to 6,984,520, winning only 21 states. Atiku is therefore praying that the court upholds the assertion of INEC in the process and declare him the winner of the February 25 presidential elections. The People's Democratic Party and its candidate Atiku Abubakar had on the 21st of March filed the petition challenging the emergence of President Bola Tinubu in the February 25 elections. The petitioner's petition, which was among the 3 petitions remaining following the withdrawal of Action Alliance and the Action People's Party from the race, were given 3 weeks to prove their case before the respondents INEC, Tinubu and APC opened the defense when pre-election reports were delivered on the 23rd of May 2023. So far, the petitioners have called 27 witnesses to prove their case, amongst other documents tendered. The respondent on their part called a sole witness whose evidence covered the field. The witness demonstrated undoubted competence to testify in the respect of the subject submitted before the court, including issues surrounding the U.S. proceedings, himself being a United States practicing attorney and counselor at law. Also being a lawmaker who participated in the enactment of the Electoral Act 2022, he stated the position and intention of the legislature, particularly as it relates to appropriate mode of transmission as well as transfer and collation of results. Nigerians await the adoption of these processes and a possible date for judgment by the 5-man panel of the Presidential Election Petition Court.